Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 01 July 2018, 08 of hour, 49 of minute and 43 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, can you give Vicks to a dog? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about can you give Vicks to a dog. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about can you give Vicks to a dog. Camphor is commonly found in topical pain or arthritis body rubs. Examples of some common trade names containing camphor include Carmex, Tiger Balm, Vicks VapoRub, Campho-Phenique, etc. Camphor is readily absorbed across the skin and should never be applied to dogs or cats due to risks for poisoning. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.